Today I started exploring the Toy Box sound pack, and there's so much. I started with the pots and pans as drums, and I haven't put anything together musically yet, but let me show you what I figured out.
This is why it's called pots and pans in the toy box, because kitchen stuff actually represent different instruments. So just like as a kid, I just started tapping around and listening to what I heard. I'll touch and hold an instrument with 2 fingers to play repeating notes. If my fingers are close together, I figured out that this plays 8th notes. I can also play 16th notes like this. Okay, that's all for today, but I can't wait to make more music with the pots and pans.